update. Monday, 3rd. HVAC's going in. They're connecting all the ducts. That's going to get hooked up today. Going to hook up the garage circuit as well as the furnace circuit. Majority of the day is going to be deleting wires, basically any remaining circuits. Not the progress we wanted to make today. HVAC is still not finished. They just completed the supply runs up in the attic for the east side, but they still got to connect one of the ducts, tie it all back into the plenums, so that's not done yet. And they still got to put the return in, so they got to hook that all up. Today ended up being kind of a small minutia day. It was just a lot of little projects. Used to be gas lines that ran across the top here. I got those out. I pulled out all the old electrical wiring, and it was just a lot of nail pulling today. And wires out of the attic. Out back, there was a gas line that went to the old chimney for the master bedroom. So, got that taken out of there, which is nice. It kind of makes it a nice little sitting area. Also got the electrical cut out of the front wall here. Front bedroom. This back office, that's all cleared out. And then pulled the rest of the nails. So, just a lot of little stuff today. Kind of slow moving. But other than that, we'll get back to it tomorrow. HVAC guys say they'll have the system hooked up. And call it a day.